This 2026 Lance TC1191 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 11 feet 11 inches in length and features a Grayson interior, sleeps 4, microwave, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, oven, TV antenna, TV, LP detector, air conditioning, awning, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab, front bedroom, rear bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.